Yeah, man, we are back to Red Square for more Ghost Recon. We're finishing it. I think this is the last map of the campaign. Dude, you guys know what that means when someone says, you're the only streamer I watch? Yeah, Thrasher with the hype, man. We do have some new stickers. We got star hype. We got some stuff, man. I want a little less. Yeah, there we go. Now, oh man, Riley Martin, let's keep the stars coming. Riley, how you doing, brother? Guys, it's kind of squirrel time, man. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. It's squirrel time. Just got back from the bar. I was good. Got to be good at the bar. Bro, are you the only streamer? Oh!
Another kill.
I'm the only streamer you watch too, Harry Calgar, man. This game is epic. Dude, the squirrels are real, bro. Thrasher knows, man. Thrasher, you winding down or what? Now, I think there's going to be one or two more, and then I cannot get reckless again. I'm thinking, like, run behind the tank. Or, Guys scared the crap out of me. I can't reload while I'm peeking. Anyone else wish a comment? I came for the Ghost Recon. I stay for that beautiful dew. What are you even talking about, man? I have no idea what you're talking about. I think I'm asleep. Thrasher's sleeping. You're dreaming, bro. You're dreaming from back in the day when you first showed up to the stream, man. Thrasher's been around for a minute. Oh! That's the guy I did not want to get to behind the tank. He's a little runner. Turn it down nice and low, man. Okay. Everything's chill. Now I'm going to the sniper. And we are going to back way up back here. Oh, it's save. We save. Save game. New save game. Dude, this game is so unforgiving that you have to save it. I want to crouch. Well, I don't want to crouch that much. Where's that punk boy? There was a punk boy that killed us last time. He's over here behind some bodies. Okay, so I think we have cover. We should look for any other punk boys. I think there's punk boys across the... Oh my god. That guy's gonna die. He's gonna die. Yeah, stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay down low. Whoosh. We got one. In the head. Bam. He's done. I'm gonna switch to this guy because he's being dumb. Who's he shooting at? Would you get some cover? Can we get some cover? Okay, I see him. I see him. I see him. I'm switching back to the sniper now. Oh my god. We're dead. We're dead. In the head.
Goodbye.
Okay, take Nikoishka Tower. That looks like a save game to me, and let me freaking read whatever chat is on my screen. No. New save game. I come for the... Okay, I think I'm asleep. Evening, Charlie. Nick Gallagher, what's up, man? Nathan Whitmore's saving game is crucial in this. 30 stars. Dude, it is, man. I gotta tell you guys something, too, man. There's the constant argument and battle between PC and Xbox. And Xbox is made with like a old PC. Or a reasonable PC at the time. Right? But the fact is, PC, it just has more, it has more firepower to it, man. And I watched I saw some screenshots of the Xbox, and dude, guys, I'm not talking smack, dude. I freaking love all levels welcome. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is bad. We're going down. Which one do we shoot first? The one on the left? I think the one on the left, so he doesn't get cover.
Kill confirmed.
Oh, you all should have ran. What? Escape. Save game. New save game. Yeah, love PC. Dude, but every kid can afford, or every grown-ass man cannot afford to constantly, every 6 months or year or whatever, buy a you know, an $800 freaking video card or upgrade their computer. It's expensive, man. And Xbox is, I think, way better of a gaming platform than PC because of that. Oh my god. Okay. We this is my oh my god. There's a effing tank. Run back here. Run back here. It definitely can be a money pit. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's just like the studio recording and stuff. When you have a studio at your house, you spend... Oh, we're going the wrong way. We got to kill this freaking tank, man. I have 1 of 3. Did I lose the armor guy? And so Xbox literally made it possible for, like... Oh my god. Bravo's taking fire. Okay. Good. Maybe they will distract the tank. Of Russian scrap. Save game. New save game. I don't like my position. Reload and hide. Let me get back to my other team. I don't trust him. No, get over here. I said hide. What's he doing, man? He's going to get us all killed. You're going to get us all fired. He's going to get us all fired. My PC was cheaper than a new PS5 and way better still. Can't get a PS5. Yeah, right. Well, some people know how to build PCs and stuff, right? Okay. But we're going back to Sniper. Sniper's on hold. No, here we go. Okay, now we're going to pick some off. Now, see that bus right there? You guys see the bus? I'm going to tell you a story. Sorry. Fat Andy was on dial-up. He was in our clan. Fat Andy was one of the better performers. He was hard to kill. He would kill people. He was on dial-up. And he knew how to glitch into that bus. We never approved of it. And we get mad when he would do it. But it was funny as hell. Because he would glitch into that bus, and you could not shoot him, and he could just shoot everybody from inside the bus. Fat Andy, P-H-A-T. Fat Andy, true story. We got a good save here, guys. This is done. Yeah, Andy, and I'll tell you another thing about Andy. Andy was so good that when we would spawn trap other teams and just be raping them as they spawned. Me and Andy would be in the spawn, and I would kill Fat Andy because I wanted all the kills. Because I could do it myself. So I'd just kill Andy, then I'd start spawn raping. Yeah. Oh, there's 3. We got 3.
Kill confirmed.
They're shooting at me. I wish this guy was not shooting. Somebody ducked. He's gonna die, man. He's gonna die. You're shooting. You have a freaking rifle. So I would kill Fat Andy while we're spawn raping. And then the guy's gonna stand up. I know the AI. He'll stand up. Show me your head. There he is. Oh, I didn't reload. I deserve to die. If I die, I die. That was a miss, too. Okay. That's pretty good. That's a whole nother patrol. Save game. New save game because we're So I'd kill Fat Andy. And I'd continue to spawn rape the entire other team by myself. And then I knew the COD timing. Or it's Ghost Recon. So then I would be killing them as they spawn. And I knew Fat Andy would be coming to kill me. So we literally would kill each other and have a contest for the spawn rape. Yes, I never knew how to do that, Harry. But I know what you're talking about. I remember people would do that. There was a Raven Shield map too that you could go off the map, at least one. Okay, now I remember, but see, I might be remembering. Oh, I remember you could shoot people under this. Do I see legs? I'm looking for legs. See, but I might have played this. I might have finished this on Elite back in the day, and I also thought there was a guy right inside this door to my right. but I don't see him. I see no one under. Have you ever thought of getting back into games where you play as a team and have a subscriber teams match? You know, this one here, this game is weird. Because the way to play with other people is like give them your IP. Like you have to type it. I think it's not safe. You know what I'm saying? I think it's not safe today with, you know, with COVID and whatnot. Oh, I see him. I see a guy way over there. Dude, I love the sniper on this map. I love the sniper on this map. That was a free kill so far away, bro. I need to get full screen, not grainy night vision. Yeah, so this game, I'm probably not going to be playing with any subscribers. Oh, wait. That's the gun. That's a mounted gun and a mounted nest. You guys, there's no way. If you're on a PC, you got a huge screen, you could see it. But, like, if you're on your phone, I am thankful that you are here. Because you're getting the big picture. But you might be missing a detail or two. Okay, now there's a door over here. I'm going to come this way. And we're going to continue to kill enemies from a million miles away. And anyone remember that song? Million miles away. Name it. Name it. I will be shocked. 80s. Anyone? Anyone? There's Fat Andy's bus right there. He would also do it at Embassy. Okay. Everyone's far away. See, I'm going to switch to my gun just for fun. Because there were enemies right here. But see, I was playing probably on Elite. Or maybe custom maps. Where they had bad... they had enemies right there. Okay, there's no one in there. We're just clearing the map. Clearing the map. Me and my dad had to IP join on multiplayer because we were on the same internet and it wouldn't let us join the same server. Oh, that's rough, man. Giving your IP out is not a great idea. That's what I'm saying. The Plimsolls! Daryl Zawitzowski, who are you, man? Nick Gallagher knows it too? Dude! That was a great band, dude. They were punk-ish, man. It wasn't punk rock per se, but there are bands that are like rock bands that are considered punk. Dwight Yoakam, they would call cowpunk because it was a punk aspect to it. It's just so legit. We're saving because we're finishing this tonight. Save game, new save game. Got you. The Plimsolls. Oh, dude, wait till I tell my cousin that I threw that out there and you guys are like, the Plimsolls. A million miles away. Probably had some effect going. Now, I know there's mobs over here. And you could barrely see the little noggins because of these little walls. Yeah, man. Brian Carbajal, man. One of the most improved chess players on the chess stream. He's working it, dudes. Because I'm here to stay a million miles away. Yeah, that was a great song, dude. I wasn't even into the Plimsolls. I just heard that, and I'm like, this goes right to my heart. This is good. Oh, I sang a song tonight, guys, because we're at the bar. Whoa, okay, I thought I saw somebody. We're at the bar. Now, the threat indicator is telling me there's no one over here, but it still makes me nervous. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. They've got all this terrain, and the walls get higher and higher. We're going to come over to the edge. Jesse Bernier with the 100 stars, man. Thank you, dude. Thank you for supporting the stream, man. Okay, I got to stand up here. Then I got to stand up tall like a man. And then we could try and clip off some dudes. We could try and twist some caps back. Thanks for the 100, my brother. There's really no one there. Okay, now that we've... Let's save... Because we ran. We're just saving, saving runtime, right? Alright. Tab. Command map. Charlie, I would like you to get your butt over here. Over here. And I want you to watch, like, the mid of the map. See, I'm making that little flashlight. When they get there, they're going to look that way. And I'm going to put them on weapons free. They're on weapons free. Good. We're all weapons free. Now, I don't know if I should be doing this with a, I'm just sticking with the Washington football team. You're discussing with them. I wish I could, relate to you, man.
In place and ready.
But I have no idea anything about football. I have no idea what Washington's team is doing right now. I feel like I should be on the... I think we killed most of them, guys. But there's one down here for sure. There's one down here. I say that, but like this, maybe the last time I played this, maybe I was on Elite. Because I'm always worried about a mob. I call them mobs from World of Warcraft, right? I'm always concerned about there being a mob in a spot and there's not one there. And I'm like, I remember him. And he's not. Okay, I'm going to the Rifleman. You know why? Because Chuck mother effing Connors. You guys know Chuck Connors? They're playing right now and they just had the ball the last 2 minutes and they fumbled. Oh, that's rough, man. I'm sorry to hear it. You hate to see it, folks. Now we're getting action. We're taking chances. We could be killed. I swear there was... Okay, now it's saying all the bad guys are to my left. I saw one. I want to switch to sniper. Get off of your freaking pistol. Yeah, fumbled. Yeah, there's one here for sure. You can't see me. You know why? Because I'm going to shoot his eye out. Sorry, guys. I'm not trying to be mean.
He's history.
It was wrong. What I did was wrong. Okay, so they're this way. Oh, they're close. They're close. Switching weapons. No time for a pistol. I mean, no time for a rifle. Where are they? They're close to us, guys. Switching to the Rifleman. Looking at the map. I don't see him. Where is he? Okay, there's mobs in a nest right there. Oh my God, he scared the crap out of me. Where's your sister? Where's your sister? We got a tank. Okay. Charlie, get your butt to me. Because we got a tank.
Got a man down here. Scratch another one.
Yeah, that's a good save, man. We'll start over. Throw up by 2 points. Goodbye, Calgary. You got to go. Love you, man. Or you're talking about the football game. They're up by 2 points. Here we go. All or nothing. 2 minutes left. Here we got the ball. Daryl, I wish you guys luck on your game, man. Chris Meyer with 100 stars. Thank you, man. Family Man Chi-Chi's here, man. Thank you for the like. Jesse Bernier, I think I got your 100. If I didn't, forgive me. When I'm shooting people. Yeah, I have a good save. I did save. I go to abort. Yes.
Never thought I'd see US troops
And then I'm going to reload last save game. We are fine. Load save game. Go. Do we have to run all the way down? Yeah, we do, but that's no biggie. And we know that now that we need Charlie to get your butt here and look this way, and then get your butt here and look this way. We're bringing Charlie up. I'm gonna take out the one guy we saw. New to the stream, love stuff, man. Keep it up, Chris Meyer. Thank you, dude. I will. With support like that, you come in and give me nice words and drop a few stars and just say hello. It's 1,000% guaranteed that I'm keeping this up. Okay, wait a minute. Wait for it. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, and I was so afraid there was a guy here, but there's not. I feel like I didn't look. Did I look in the world right here, out in the middle of the map? I think I could stand up, man. I think no one's gonna shoot me, girl. Yeah, I did. I checked that. We checked that. Okay. Now we're running down here, and we got Charlie has to actually get their butts all the way to here. Charlie, just get your butt up to here. Okay, Charlie's coming. Hello, Charlie in chat. Lewis Otto, how are you? New to the stream. Yeah, Chris, man. Welcome, dude. We play a lot of chess. And I'm starting to do more of this because this is what I grew up doing.
Incoming armor.
Yeah. Will the tank get me? Okay, this is running time, right? So we're going to save running time. Hit escape. Save game. New save game. And Charlie needs to actually get to me.
We're gone.
Okay, I'm going to switch to the rifle, man. Well, no, maybe I could take the one guy out. We just saved, right?
In position.
Oh my god, that's a terrible peek. Same guy shot in the eye.
Another kill.
Not worrying about him. Okay, now I'm switching to. Oh no, we got armor. And you know what I have? I have a rocket launcher. Where is it? I can't see it. Oh, we got a patrol coming up. We got a pack coming up. I want to see if I can take the tank out right quick.
We're pinned down.
Didn't kill anybody. Okay, I'm killing people with my rifle, man. If we die, we die.
Another kill.
Where's the tank? Where's the tank? I don't see it. Come on, show your face. Oh, it was a grenade. Abort. We're going to last save. And I can see you guys. Lewis Otto, how you doing today, man? Yeah, if you have any interest in chess, I'm not just doing this to suck you into chess. I'm just saying I stream chess like on a schedule. This I do as much as I can, which is starting to be a lot more. But if you're interested in chess at all, man, you want to join, you want to be part
We've arrived.
of that crew, man, because it's real. Oh my god, they're way far back. Lewis, I'm wonderful, man. I got Courtney set up at work. Can I see the tank from here? No. You're a great chess player too. I am working on it, man. There are a lot of people. Where's the tank? Oh, they can kill me. And there's a team coming here. Man, I wish I had a rocket. Restart. Yes. We got this.
In position.
You're not, because Charlie team one needs to get closer. Because you have the freaking rockets. Okay.
Moving out.
This guy's easy. Oh my god, is he gonna kill me?
In position.
I'd rather kill these guys, like, before they... Oh my god, they're close. How do you not die from a freaking sniper rifle? 3 shots. Shot the wrong guy. Grenade! I ran from it. I ran from it. Okay, we got one here.
Taking cover.
We got one here. See him? Stood up. Oh my god, he keeps moving. Stop moving.
Goodbye.
Okay. I got red. I don't like red. I want a rifleman for red.
Right on top of them. Another kill.
The freaking tank.
Fully down.
Okay, wait. Escape. Save game. I'm going to do new save game. And I'm going to take out that freaking... Show me some love, guys. I need all the good lucks I can get right now. Dude, good luck, man. You got money on the game, man? You got money on this game, Daryl? I'm wishing you the best. Oh, my God. My sniper's shooting at people. Stop shooting at people.
Taking some lead. Scratch one piece of Russian scrap.
Escape. Wait, no. Tab. Get to the sniper and get out of the line of fire. Good. Escape. Save game. New save game. Killing it now, guys. Guys, I wish everyone's team wins. I hope you all the best. I wish the best for you guys. I love
They're shooting.
They're shooting. Charlie's taking fire. Is that me? Oh, yeah. There's a little nest over here we forgot about. Back up as far as you can. Just clean him out. Oh, God. He's looking right at me.
Goodbye.
Okay. Now, all I see is enemies straight ahead or to the left. Where? Over in this corner? I'm saving. Save game. New save game. We're clearing red square, guys. One freaking kill at a time. Raiders fan here, but I like how the team is going. McLaurin is a beast. Yeah, 500. Daryl. Man, I wish you the best. I hope your team gets it, Daryl. I really do, man. How close are we? What's going on over there? Jeremy Steen, what are you even doing with the squirrels, brother? Supporter, star dropper. Part of the stream. Guys, look. A squirrel. Oh. Man. That was a cheap, not smooth, nasty squirrel. Where? Are they on the other side of the, Oh, there's one right there in my grill, bro. He's on a mounted gun aiming the wrong way. Is that the end?
Goodbye.
Okay, we did it. Avoid civilian casualties. Mission complete. Finished it. Red square's done. Now we'll see if we just completed the squirrel's right off screen as not to be seen. Squirrels are real, man. Lewis Otto, Jay Williams supporters. If you're interested in getting some stickers, this little button right here will give you more information on how to do that. By the way, we have more stickers, guys. We have It's a Move got fixed. We have Star Hype. What else do we have? We have more stickers coming, man. Like, they're in my email. I failed by not getting them and uploading them. Good game, man. Thank you, Jay.